Hello, everyone. Welcome back to video 3 of the Happy series. In this episode, you will learn 11 simple phrases that native speakers use to express happiness after a stressful or difficult time, and to talk about good news.
While you are watching, we will do a little shadowing to train your speaking muscles. So please listen carefully and repeat after me when I ask you to. Let's begin.
The first phrase is, I am so happy it finally happened.
Repeat after me. I am so happy it finally happened.
We use this when we waited a long time and something good finally happened. The next phrase is, I am so glad it is finally over.
Repeat after me. I am so glad it is finally over.
We use this when something difficult or stressful has ended. Another common phrase is, I feel so relieved now.
Repeat after me. I feel so relieved now.
We use this phrase when we were worried before, and now we feel calm. Another phrase you can use is, I am happy it is finished.
Repeat after me. I am happy it is finished.
This is a simple way to say you feel happy because something is done. All of these sentences are used after waiting, after stress, or after hard work.
Well done, everyone. These phrases will help you sound natural in real conversations.
James, so what are the phrases again that we learnt in this section?
They are, I am so happy it finally happened. I am so glad it is finally over. I feel so relieved now. And I am happy it is finished.
Well done. Sometimes we hear good news about someone else, not directly from them.
That is right. So now, let's learn what we can say when we hear good news about other people. For example, a friend might say, My brother got a new job. What can we say in that situation?
You can say, Wow, I am happy for him.
Repeat after me. Wow, I am happy for him. We use this phrase when the good news is about a man or a boy.
You can also say, Awesome, I am glad to hear that.
Repeat after me. Awesome, I am glad to hear that. This works well when you want to sound polite and friendly.
If the news feels very exciting, you can say, That is wonderful news.
Repeat after me. That is wonderful news. We use this when we want to show strong happiness. What if your friend says, My sister passed her exam?
Then you can say, That's great. I am happy for her. We use this phrase when the good news is about a woman or a girl.
Repeat after me. That's great. I am happy for her. That sounds kind and supportive.
You can also say, I am glad to hear that, or that is wonderful news.
Both responses sound natural and positive. And what if someone says, my parents bought a new car?
In that case, you can smile and say, I am happy for them.
Repeat after me. I am happy for them. We use them because we are talking about more than one person.
You could also say, that is wonderful news, or I am glad to hear that. Even you can say, wow, that is wonderful news.
These choices help you match your response to the situation.
This is how we respond in real conversations when we hear good news about other people.
These small sentences help you sound natural, friendly, and caring in English. Before we finish this section, let us look at 2 idioms for very strong happiness.
Yes, James. The first idiom is over the moon. For example, if your friend says, my sister passed an important exam, you can say, wow, she must be over the moon.
Repeat after me. Wow, she must be over the moon. Sometimes, people feel extremely happy because of big news.
Yes, for example, imagine your friend says her brother got the job he really wanted. In this situation, you can say, that is great. He must be on cloud 9.
Repeat after me. That is great. He must be on cloud 9.
On cloud 9 means very, very happy. James, so what are the phrases again that we learned in this section?
They are, I am happy for him. I am happy for her. I am happy for them. I am glad to hear that. And that is wonderful news. And we learned 2 idioms as well. Over the moon and on cloud 9.
Nice work, everyone. Today you learned how to express happiness after a stressful or difficult time, and how to talk about good news. Try using one of these phrases next time when you get a chance. And join us in video 4, where we will learn calm, polite, and everyday ways to express happiness in daily conversations.
Before we finish, if you have not subscribed yet, please take a moment to subscribe to Simple and Best English so we can keep growing together.
Thank you for joining us today to learn, grow, and shine. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.